So in this question, we're just asked to evaluate this complicated fraction involving lots of powers. So I've just written that out again here. We're just going to remind ourselves of what the different rules are for powers. So we've got a few of them here. So if we have a negative power, so like -1 up here, this flips the fraction. So it's just going to completely invert what we have. So the 81 to the power of 3/4 would be on the top, and this lot would be on the bottom. Another point with that, if we have an integer to a power, then it becomes 1 over whatever that integer was. So if we have something to the power of 1 over n, this is the nth root. So if it's to the power of a half, we're square rooting. If it's to the power of 1 over 4, then we're finding the fourth root of it. So similarly, a to the m over n means we find the nth root and then we raise it to a power of m. And this is going to be particularly useful for the 81 over here. Okay, so let's get started. So we're just going to do it bit by bit. The first term we can do, so here we do 9 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that slots in nicely. And 32 to the fifth root. So we need to work out what to the power of 5 is equal to 32. And hopefully you should be able to work out quite quickly that that's going to be 2. Because 2 squared is 4, 2 cubed is 8. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So we have 2 in here. And for the 81 to the 3/4 on the bottom, we're first going to find the fourth root of it. So 3 to the power of 4 is 81, so it becomes just 3 cubed here. The next step is just going to be simplify this down. This becomes a 3 on the top over 3 cubed, which is just going to be 9, because we're going to the 3 is going to cancel with one of the 3's down here, so we get 1 over 3 squared, so 1 over 9. But then the -1 means we're inverting the whole thing to just give 9.